Research is the systematic process of collecting, analyzing, and interpreting information or data to increase knowledge and understanding of a particular topic or phenomenon. It is a methodical and structured inquiry into a subject or problem that aims to identify new knowledge, validate existing knowledge, or test the validity of previous research findings. In general, research involves identifying a research question, formulating a hypothesis, collecting and analyzing data, and drawing conclusions based on the data. The results of the research can be used to develop theories, inform policy decisions, or advance knowledge in a particular field. Research can be conducted in various fields such as social sciences, natural sciences, business, medicine, engineering, and many more. The methods used in research can vary depending on the discipline, but they all aim to systematically and objectively investigate a specific issue or problem. The following are some of the main objectives of research. The objective of research is to systematically and objectively investigate a particular topic, problem or phenomenon with the aim of increasing knowledge, developing new insights, or providing evidence to support or refute a hypothesis or theory. Number 1. To describe a phenomenon, research can be conducted to describe the characteristics, behavior, or nature of a particular phenomenon. Number 2. To explain a phenomenon, research can be used to explain why a phenomenon occurs, its causes, and its underlying mechanisms. Number 3. To predict a phenomenon, research can be conducted to predict the occurrence of a phenomenon, its outcomes, or its effects. Number 4. To evaluate a phenomenon, research can be used to evaluate the effectiveness or impact of an intervention or program. Number 5. To test the validity of existing knowledge, research can be used to test the validity of previous research findings, theories or models. The specific objective of research will depend on the research question, the discipline, and the research design. However, all research aims to contribute to the advancement of knowledge and understanding in a particular area.